good evening. Oh, I've just pinned my hair and now I've got a nice little tuft, but it'll do. Hello. I have been MIA for a while because that is going to really bug me. I've been MIA for a while because I'm still in complete and utter burnout where I've had to I've shut down, meltdown, burnout, whatever you want to call it, to the point that I'm barely vocal. I'm not able to speak really or do anything. That being said, I have new curtains. I'm not sure how I feel about them right now, but I am going more for I'm making a lot of changes and I'm going more for comfort than aesthetically pleasing. So I've got some blackout curtains and they're blackout curtains and they're in a charcoal colour. I'm not sure how I feel about them. But I've got my new sofa coming on Saturday, so just 2 more sleep. This whole thing, I've had this change for me, any kind of change, it really tips me and it completely fucked me over. Got rid of my old sofa because I bought myself a new one and it arrived. I did a whole vlog filming it and that, and I was excited about it turning up. And when it turned up, it was this miniature thing and I was distraught and I thought I couldn't believe I'd got rid of the old one. And then it's like, be careful what you wish for. Luckily, I managed to get this one and I went to order it once and it said that there was none in stock and I was like, no. Went to order it again and it was in stock. But maybe not that one, I'll have a look at another one. I'm doing this because of the lighting. I'll have a look at another one. Looked at another one and they were like, yeah, it's in stock. And then I kept flitting between the two and then as if by magic the one that I originally looked at was in stock. It's not really, I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about it once it gets here, but again, it's for comfort. I've gone for like material rather than leather, so it's going to be a nightmare because of the cats. I've got to start looking past these things and sometimes that means, well, I've just got to make accommodations for myself. Long-winded intro to say, I thought I'd take you through a few days of me at Christmas. It is Thursday at 11 p.m. and I got back from shopping at about 10 p.m. I spent all day toying around with going in the day and then I was like, no, just go really early in the morning. And then I was like, no, because then it'll be noisier with busy work traffic and things like that. And I always get a bit more energy at this time. So I was like, just go, have a shower and go. So I went tonight. Still stressful. I still can't handle it. I had my loops in and then I took them out and put my earbuds in, listened to some music, and I'm just so overwhelmed. I ended up with a load of stuff you shouldn't really be eating, but fuck it, it's Christmas. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure we was all prepared, got all our goodies, so we can just slob on our sofa. I just wanted to tell you that tonight and then just show you my goodies pile. This is what we're working with, yo. Triple chocolate cookies, Texas barbecue Pringles, Melba thins, salt and pepper crackers, tortilla chip, onion rings, vinegar stick, chocolate fudge cake, Frutella chews, Haribo sours, Roundtree berry heart, dairy milk, Marvellous Creations, After 8, Ferrero Rocher. Now I've got some roses. I'm definitely not going to go short on munchies. Can you eat the bits or do you have to save it? I have to save it. I'm going to start on Saturday when the sofa arrives. Blue cheese, some applewood cheese. Everything's got dairy and wheat in it and I've just gone, do you know what? Fuck it. I've been so run down and last year I ate Haagen-Dazs for Christmas dinner on my own, so yeah. And then I've got my Yorkshire puddings which are gluten free. Ridiculous. Grabbed everything I wanted, just take it. I don't drink a lot of fizzy drinks. I like appetizer, Fanta, toffee cheesecake, vanilla ice cream. Oh, that's what I got. Gingerbread flavour hot chocolate, just add hot water because I normally make my own with this, which is lovely, but I thought I'd give it a go. Should we smell it? I'm gonna get my initial thoughts because I'm not really keen on gingerbread. Why did I just yeah, just as I thought. I was like, I don't know, it might be alright. That's probably the Christmassy thing that most Christmassy thing that I actually got. I'm gonna go and rest my bones now. Tomorrow is going to be all about prepping my soup. Oh, made an amazing soup this week and it was beautiful. So I've brought double the amount. But I'm going to go now. My knee literally just buckled underneath me, so that's my cue. I'll see you tomorrow when my vegetable chopper arrives and I can get through these vegetables like a fucking ninja. Alright? Night.
You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely.
So far we have onions, garlic, potato, carrot, celery, coriander. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper. I've got some rosemary sprigs. So 4 stock cubes, it's about 2 litres of water. Simmer away for a bit. I'll chop up some spinach to put in there, then I'll put my chicken in. I'm going to chop it into fine pieces.
We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. What's getting harder to ignore? Yeah. Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely. And I think
Done. Casually decided at about 10:30 to make soup because I've been dead weight in my bed today after shopping yesterday. But I was going to do this tomorrow. I've done it now. I was going to move the furniture ready for the sofa, but I've done it now. I'm not showing my face today because I literally haven't even got dressed. Look. Sofa day tomorrow, sofa day tomorrow. You excited, Blue? Oh, bloody am. Anyway, see you tomorrow. They've just rang and said that the sofa will be here in an hour. Just had a quick shower, skincare done. Don't know what I've done with my hair. Well, what it looks like. Just shoved it up. We're ready. We're ready and waiting. Please let this one go right. Please let this one be long enough, big enough for me to sit on, let alone lay on. Let's open the curtain, shall we? Treat ourselves. First time I've had curtains open in God knows how long. Dum diddy dum diddy dum dum dum. It is quite a big space. It's misleading. You ready? Why are we waiting? Oh, just wait. Just sit down and wait, Jane. Hello. Hello. Babies, our Christmas present has arrived. Firstly, one of them went, bloody hell, it smells lovely in here, don't it? Bloody hell, what is it? You got incense candles or something burning? And I was like, that's me doing, I don't know what accent that is, I think he's Cockney. I was like, that's either my perfume or the plug-in that I've got in by the front door. And he was like, oh, it smells lovely. It's rare you come into an house and it smells like this. I wish I'd left it recorded. I was like, and I've got 4 cats, so I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Right. Oh, I'm sweating already. Oh, piss off! Fucking Christmas songs! I swear, I've asked Alexa about 10 times to play like my most recent blah blah blah, whatever I ask for. Christmas songs keep coming on. Do you think someone's trying to tell me to get in spirit? I can't. No, man. Baby, come and see! Are you coming, Belle? Come and have a look. Bella, come on. Here she comes. Come on, come and have a look. Look what we got for Christmas. ready? Sorry, Bella. Oh my god, a sofa that I could lay down on. That is... Okay, end of the video. Bye. Sorry, Bella. Yeah, I brought some of these as well. Sliders. So I'll stick them on the bottom. And that way, whenever I need to move the sofa, I've put them on my chair as well. They don't make that awful noise and they're not heavy. Look, perfect size. Yeah. Yeah, it's going. We're all coming in to explore. What do you think, guys? What do we think? Come on, babes. I can see ya. What do you reckon, Bells? Look how sweaty I am. Just had a shower. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Oh my god, there's so much room at the end. That's the room for my future wife, manifesting. Camera doesn't do much justice. Makes it look smaller than it is. It's friggin' huge. I said to myself this year I'd get back to Pole and I'd have a new sofa. Well, I've had 2 new sofas. Oh my god. Me and my friend Heidi. Hi Heidi. She was ripping the piss out of me when I got the other sofa delivered because it literally was like, it was an absolute joke. And you know that, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. She was ripping me. At least I can laugh about it now. So, happy Christmas, babies! None of them are interested. Sofa for one. At least I've got a sofa to watch all the crappy Christmas TV on now. Baby Lou, you coming up? Come on, boy. Giant. Baby Lou. Baby Lou. Here's the last one. Dip job. Coming up. Diva. Oh, because the window's open. Yeah, she's like, oh. Hi, babes. Didn't see you there. Oh, yeah, while I'm here and before I forget. That's what I meant about comfort over style. Oh, my God. Just can't get away from this lighting. Can you hear it? Raincoat material / shower curtain material. When I opened them, I was like, oh, so disappointed. I do love things that are different, but the dotty ones were too overstimulating for me. Just playing havoc with my sensory. Good night's sleep, get up. I was immediately like stunned from them. So I got these, and you'll see there's a bit of a theme. Who knew I liked charcoal so much? I love greys, all different greys clearly, and these are completely blackout. That's why they're this material, like a starch material I think, but these are completely blackout, which is what I need as well, because I'll just sit here suffering through the light, like with the other curtains, with the light coming through, even with the curtains closed. And it's like things like that I just sit and didn't realise I was sitting and just putting up with. I'm changing. They don't make the room look cosy. They make the room look quite cold, to be fair. But I think once I've got my new rug in and my pillows, and eventually I'll get some like nice tie back things for these curtains, it will look a lot better. Now to figure out where I'm going to put everything, what I'm getting rid of. Wish me luck! Now I've just got to figure out a place for everything. I'm starting to hurt.
Sometimes life can be tough.
Shoulder, neck, I feel sick.
And you feel like you just
Maybe. Look at this glide. It's the little things. Look.
tight enough.
Got way too overexcited. Just been laying there for about 20 minutes and I feel sick. My whole back, everything is killing me. I've gone from being in bed in burnout, I'm still in burnout, to and it's just, I'm just sitting there like, I don't know what to do. Breathe. I need to eat something. I'm gonna have some of my soup that I made last night. Help me. Oh, I can hear you eating. No privacy in this house. I think it's because I had in mind of where I wanted everything to go and it's not going to work out that way. So it's just dawned on me like how much I've got to do. And there's still all that shit out there that I need to break down. Oh, and I just sound like I'm whining. Look, Toothless, my Bella. I've never seen this one before. Oh, it is 2:45 and I still haven't eaten anything. I've just been chilling for a bit. Give this a mix. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. What? Shit. Just nearly knocked that over. I literally have it in a mixing bowl. Fill that up. Nice big wholesome bowl of homemade soup. I love you. Oh, cheers. Always. Oh my god. My hair is pulling. Right. I've been stalling for long enough. That'll do. Let's tackle this bullshit, shall we? Right. Pain. Who do I think I am? Tell us this focus. Why is it doing that? Stop! You can tell I haven't been to Pole in about, I don't know if it's 4 or 5 weeks. I don't know if this is all going to fit in the bin. Oh god. Please. Let's just be over now. So much pain. Delivery. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Delivery. Why don't they take this with them when they drop the sofa? Breathe. Pinching pains here and my whole of my back is on fire. How is this going to fit in my bin? Fuck off! My heart is going mental. Oh, ah. Ouch! The sound of this goes straight through me. Breathe. Wow. It was a tight squeeze. It was a tight squeeze, but we did it. Weighted blanket that I keep forgetting that I've got. I've got these pillows literally just to tie the oven in, but they're actually quite Christmassy. Don't know what that is, by the way. There's not been there the whole time. Wow. Hello, Bella. Coming in now, bye. I've got an escapee. You enjoyed yourself? I know, there's my little bit of Christmas. Bye. You coming in now? Good boy. Is everybody in? I nearly shut you out. Oh God. Told you I got a thing for tobacco. Tell me when you see her. Living room 2%. There she is. Nearly locked you out. Living room off. Et voila! Right, I better feed these buggers because I've been very patient, but now they're getting impatient. It's not finished yet. I'll have some bits on the walls, make it extra cosy, but look at me. Oh, my poor self. I know what I'll be doing tomorrow. Nothing. Bo's having the zoomies because he thinks he's well hard. You went outside, didn't you? So he does his zoomies when he comes in. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have an amazing Christmas and an amazing New Year. And I will see you then. Oh my God. I'll see you in 2024. Yay! Bye! Do you see ya? told you I love the colour charcoal. Bo's gonna have fits. She pounces from nowhere.